Can we just take a moment to appreciate little Leela? You fit so good in there, you cute little girl. What a cutie. Ewan. You want to scream? Food. 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 Hi. I don't have a long enough arm for this. These cookies are so good. We already started munching on one of them. Zane and I just got a bunch so we can have leftovers for a few days. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Morgan's gonna meet us at our house because we have separate cars. We can't resist munching. It's so gooey. You want another bite? So good. There's a cookie place near our house, but it's not very good. So we don't like to go there. We usually try it like, I swear, maybe once every year and a half. And we're never that thrilled with it, even though it's really popular. So we went to a different one tonight, but they were open, sliding around. But I guess the only person that was working there was on delivery, so there was nobody there. So then I just looked up more cookie places near me.
Oh yeah, and I found this one. And it was open, and it was not that far from where we were.
And so far, it's delicious, so I'd say it was a success.
Just back it up.
Which one's that?
This is the rosemary steak.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven.
This is the rosemary?
Good, yeah.
Oh.
Very earthy.
Interesting. It's good though.
Also has the zoomies.
These cookies are giving me the zoomies.
Ewan.
The baby.
Do you want to say hi to the people? Oh my gosh, Absol just slid. I don't know which one's my favorite. The carrot cake one's really good. You want to try it?
The s'mores is really good.
It's so like fluffy. So good. Oh my gosh, do you hear him?
What?
Absol!
He went in the bedroom. Oh my gosh.
Poor Felix, he got caught up in the middle.
Like fast walking.
Absol! Howdy, Daylight!
He's like, no.
Where's Jean?
Hang on, he's got the zooms.
Look at the recliner.
Yeah, I know, she went there herself.
It's cute.
I moved my laptop for her. Absol! He knows the camera's on him now and he won't run. Look at that fluffy butt.
I know.
Oh. Hey Felix, I didn't see you down there, buddy. You big orange, come here. Are you excited?
Iced coffee.
In the freezing cold?
Yep. Yes, it looks so cute.
It's so cute in there. Yum. This is like a Pop-Tarty one. Right there. That's the Portland cream. I love it. We got Pop-Tart vibes.
It's got a strawberry filling. It's good.
Maple cream. It's so big.
Oh wow.
I feel like it's bigger than it looked in the store.
That's good.
All right.
I love the Portland cream. I didn't get any cream.
No cream, what the heck?
I got the potatoes.
Yep.
What is this called again?
Papas Bravas. It's got garlic aioli, some kind of salsa, little fried potatoes. She likes it.
So good.
Here we are.
We're at You and Me Hot Pot. Gonna have some soup, some boba, heart-shaped bowl. Hello and good morning. Oh, this hair is getting everywhere. I just got done filming with my Lowest Cosmetics Meet Me at Midnight palette and I'm loving it. I'm gonna do some editing now so it can go up in the next day or two. This morning's been good. Just, you know, made a smoothie, walked on my treadmill, and it was just nice and relaxing. It's a good start to the day. And now I'm just gonna work a little bit. Oh my gosh, the girls are outside just staring in the grass together. Let me show you. You girls enjoying some time together? This is so sweet. Eat a win. Well, she is invested in whatever she's looking at out there. Usually she perks right up when I say her name. You girls are so cute. So yeah, that's the morning so far. I actually got sent some new, yes, I'm in my pajama pants, thank you very much. I actually got sent some more bars from Verb Energy, and I want one because I have not had coffee this morning, and I kind of want to have one of these because they're amazing. I chatted about them a few vlogs ago. They reached out wanting to send me these bars. This one is the cookie butter one. I was very excited to try this flavor. But basically these are bars that are caffeinated. They have as much caffeine as like an espresso, and it's just like a nice little snack. This is not sponsored by any means. The last one was not either. I'm making this on my own free will. I just figured I'd chat about them because they are super tasty and I'm excited to try a new flavor. Oh my gosh. It really does taste just like cookie butter. Mmm. It almost tastes like those biscotti airplane cookies. This is so tasty. But yeah, if you're interested, I'll have my referral link down below if you want to buy. I get a commission and I appreciate it if you use it, but no pressure. I just thought this was a really cool idea because, I mean, I'm at home today, but typically when I'm working in the salon, I don't have a whole lot of time to eat. Sometimes I get tired throughout the day. So this is such a good quick boost of energy and I love it. So I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna edit a little bit and I think I'm gonna play some Let's Build a Zoo because I've been on a Let's Build a Zoo kick again. It's been so relaxing. Go on. You had something to say. What are you smelling right now? You're so cute, Edelyn. You're so cute. Okay, hello. It's a new day. Let's not judge my appearance. It is 9 p.m. I worked all day and who knows what my makeup even looks like because I had a mask on all day. I did film this look this morning for Instagram. It should for sure be up by the time this vlog goes up. It's with that Fantasy Cosmetica Druid palette I love. But I wanted to chat about some of the makeup that I've gotten this week. Just do a little roundup haul for you. I actually wanted to do this days ago. So I've been patiently waiting for my Lethal Cosmetics palette to come, but it's still not here. It was said it was gonna get delivered Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and now today it just says delayed. And I'm like, okay, so when is it coming? That's what I wanna know. So hopefully that'll be in soon, but until then, let's talk about everything else. Noella Lashes sent me some more lashes. I actually have a lot of lashes right now because they always send me 3 a month, and sometimes I acquire other lashes from other brands. So I actually might just put all 3 of these in a box to give to my friends because I have plenty right now, but I love their lashes. I picked myself up 2 new House of Lashes black lash glues. I've gotten very extra with my lash glue application. I love the House of Lashes lash glue. It's my favorite. But what I've been doing lately is I use the black one specifically on the band, and then I do a small line of the regular because I find if I use the black on my actual lash band, it doesn't get white and clumpy looking. So I use 2 different lash glues, but the House of Lashes is my favorite. I also picked myself up a restock of the NYX High Glass Finishing Powder because it's my favorite. I was panicked about a year ago that it was getting discontinued, so I bought 3 of them because they were on sale and Ulta didn't carry it anymore, and I was convinced it was going away. So I bought 3 of them. Well, I'm running low on my last one, and I went on their site, and it's still a thing, so I bought not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 more high gloss finishing powders. And I'm not usually one to like stock up on like backstock like this with makeup, but it's truly my favorite finishing powder. I use like a loose powder under my eyes, but I use that everywhere else. And it's just a dream. You've heard me talk about it 100 times. So I stocked up on that. I basically just got enough to get free shipping. Kaleidos is coming out with a new collection. I've never said this word out loud, so I'm gonna Google how to pronounce it really quick so people don't get mad at me. Really quick, I'm gonna attempt it and then we're gonna see what Google says. I think it's Nouveau, the Art Nouveau collection. What do you have to say about it? Nouveau. Look at me, I was right. Someone is still gonna come in the comments and be like, you didn't say it right. But they came out with the Art Nouveau collection and I'm very excited about it. This first one is just the Art Nouveau palettes. It looks, oop, there goes the plastic. It looks like this. It's such a colorful, just fun dream. Now, I'm not typically one to like want to add more rainbow palettes to my collection, but I really like their formula and the shimmers in here in particular just looked breathtaking. So I'm really excited to play with this one. And then this is the Daydream palette. It's in collaboration with Sunshine the Bee. It's very cute and it's very much a different kind of layout for them. I love. There's this like weird little mark in there. I think it's just like my pan was being weird. I don't know what it is. I think it's just like my pan like is funky because the shadow itself is fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but it looks kind of funky. But it's really pretty. I'm very excited about it as well. I literally can't tell if they're all shimmers, all mattes, all satins. I'm not entirely sure. Let me actually go to their Instagram and see if they posted about it yet. I think they posted about it yesterday. Oh, it's a water activated paint palette. That's why they didn't look like how I thought. So it's not even eyeshadows. They're water activated paints. That makes so much more sense because I was like, these don't even really like swatch. I am a silly goose apparently. Oh, this is so cute. You know what? In my defense, it doesn't technically say water activated paint palette on here. It just says palette, so. Oh, I'm excited. I don't even know how I'll use these. Maybe as eyeliner or something? Because I'm not much of like a face paint person. That's exciting. I'll probably do a video on my channel soon playing with both of those together. And then I also got a package from Colourpop just today. I got the Daisy Does It collection. A lot of it doesn't really pique my interest. I'll show you what the palette looks like. It's not a bad palette. It's just not really like my cup of tea. You know, I don't really play with like warm tone neutrals too often. I like the pop of yellow, but this one just isn't like a must-have for me, so I'm gonna give this one to a friend. And there's a few other parts of this collection that I just don't need. The Super Shock shadows are cute. There's 3 duos, but I just don't need them. They don't spark enough joy for me to keep them for myself, so I'm gonna give those to friends as well. And there's also like 6 Fresh Kiss lip lacquers. I'm gonna keep 2 of them. I'm gonna keep the shades, or what are these called? Oh, the glossy lip stains, not the lip lacquers. My apologies. I'm keeping Sun Kiss and Virtue. I just think this pink and orangey color are very cute, so I'm gonna keep those. And I just love the packaging with the little daisies. Love. I'm also gonna keep this eyeliner set, the Upsy Daisy eyeliner set. It comes with the shades Extra Frosting, On Point, Idyllic, Captivating, and Sunnyvale. I already own Sunnyvale. It's the brown one here. So I'll give the brown one to a friend, but I'm excited about all these other colors. I like their eye pencils, so I'm always down to add more into my collection. And then last, my favorite part of this collection are the new blushes. Let me take these out of their little box. By the way, we just saw the new Uncharted movie tonight. It was good. We haven't really been seeing movies lately. Zane saw the new Batman a couple weeks ago. I was open to seeing it, but I also didn't really care. I'm just not a Batman person. You know, I was curious to see Edward Cullen again in action, but I'm not a Batman person. But we did see Uncharted tonight and it was really good. I liked it. I don't know anything about that like video game series, but the movie was good. So here's the 3 shades. This one is Marguerite. It's very cute, very bright. This one is Chamomile. Did you just hear Edelyn scream? You like this color? This is Chamomile. It's kind of like a toasty rosy color, and then this one's more orangey. It's called Doozy. I actually love that name. So yeah, that's my little haul for the week. Some things I've required, some PR things, some restocks. My Lethal palette will hopefully be here eventually. I thought I was going to be filming with that this week, and that just didn't happen, so it is what it is. I actually think I'm going to end the vlog here. I know, right? There's just not really a whole lot going on this weekend, you know. I'm working all day tomorrow and we'll probably just do some grocery shopping. And then Sunday, I think I might be hanging out with a friend, and then this vlog is going up Monday. So even if I did hang out with a friend and vlog it, it probably would be the next vlog anyway, so I can have time to edit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and hanging out. If you made it to the end of this vlog, why don't you leave me some flower emojis because of the, oop, I almost dropped it, the Oopsie Daisy collection or whatever it's called, Daisy Does It. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.